Let's talk about the recently launched Samsung smartphone Galaxy A05. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with PLS LCD display, with 6.7-inch HD plus waterdrop notch display, with resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 82.1 screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 262 ppi pixel density, and with 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel wide-angle camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system based on exclusive version of One UI screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, 2.0 GHz dual-core Cortex A75, plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.8 by 78.2 by 8.8 mm, and it weighs around 195 grams, and the color options black, silver, light green, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5 audio jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy A05 has been expected price in Pakistan for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 44,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy A05 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.